Hey, what's up everyone? Today I want to show you a really cool trick with Thrivecart, and it's super simple, but it's something that if you implement this, you can actually get your return on investment from Thrivecart just by using this one strategy. And it's a really simple strategy that if you do it, you will increase the lifetime value of every customer that you put through Thrivecart. On average, you're going to increase the lifetime value of your customers. And it's such a simple little technique. You're going to be thinking, why didn't I think of this? So let me show it to you real quick. Cool. So we're in Thrivecart right now, and the little trick that I'm going to show you is actually going to really leverage the new sort of cart designer that they've just added into Thrivecart. It's a really cool drag and drop editor that is now available in everybody's Thrivecart's account. So if you don't have Thrivecart yet, make sure you get Thrivecart because this stuff is really cool and really powerful. So I'm going to go over here to the little checkout tab at the top. And I'm going to go into our sales cart that we've already designed here. So let me click into the design and then launch the editor. Now, what you're going to see here is our one-page sales funnel that we've been developing around our Evergreen Profits letter. Now, one really cool thing about the new cart builder inside of Thrivecart is that you can actually customize the success page as well. So right now, this is the success page that you'd see if you purchased our Evergreen Profits letter. You can't see it here, but there's actually a video embedded that's like a thank you video welcoming people to the membership. So that video's there, and then we've got our checkout details here. Now here's a really cool, really simple thing you can do to just increase the value of the customer that just went through your funnel. So they've already purchased from you. They've purchased your main product. If you had any upsells, they went through those upsells and already purchased those upsells. And now they're finally landing on your success page. How do we try to get even more revenue out of our new customers on the success page? Because we all know that once somebody's in the process of buying, it's a lot easier to make another sale. If somebody bought that first product, their upsell conversion is going to be a lot higher than if you were trying to sell that product just standalone. Once they're buying, it's easier to get them to keep buying. So we want to implement that even on our success page. This is the final page they're going to see when they're going through this funnel. So let's maximize it. And the way we can do that is by promoting affiliate offers on our success page. So with this new cart builder, we can actually add additional content below this sort of confirmation receipt that they have here. So I'm going to actually make a little mini sales pitch for a related affiliate product. Now this is just a demonstration. This isn't actually one that I'm going to make live. So I'm going to kind of walk through it real quick, but this isn't something we're actually doing live. We're actually promoting different products on our success page. So I'm going to go ahead and add a heading, and I'm going to put it down below all of the receipt information. I don't want people to get confused and wonder what's going on when they're expecting a receipt. So I'm going to put it below all the information that they're kind of expecting. And I'm going to put, here's something else that we think you'll love. And then I'm going to go ahead and center that. Maybe boost this font size quite a bit just so it really stands out down here below everything. And then I'm going to go ahead and put a video right below it. Now, this particular demonstration, we actually like to promote a tool called Designer. It's a product that we're an affiliate of. We actually really love this tool. So we have a video that's a case study of how we use Designer. And I'm going to go ahead and embed this video here. So inside of a Vimeo, you can do this with a YouTube video. You can do it with Easy Video Suite. You can do it with whatever video player that you're using. So I'm going to go ahead and make some changes down here. I don't really want this text link below the video. And I'm going to go ahead and copy my embed code. Now I'm going to jump back over to Thrivecart, and I'm going to paste this embed code right there into this little video box. I'm actually going to stretch the video box out so it takes up a little more real estate here, stands out a little bit better. And then let's see here. What else can I do? I'm going to boost the line height on this a little bit. And then let's go ahead and adjust some of the spacing. I'm going to add some bottom spacing just so that video is a little bit further down below the headline there, like that. And then, now we don't have the option to add a button to our success page yet. Now I did talk to Josh, the founder of Thrivecart, and he said that that is a feature that's going to be coming out very soon. You are going to have even more functions that you can add to your page. A button is one of those that they're going to be adding, but there's a workaround, really simple workaround. Grab a text box, throw it below your video, and you can actually hyperlink the text. So I'm going to just put a little call to action that says, click here to learn more about designer, just like so. Let's go ahead and center that. Let's make it bold. Let's boost the fonts by quite a bit, like so. Adjust the spacing. We're good on the spacing there. And then let's go ahead and enter our affiliate link. So I'll click the link button. Our link looks like this. /designer. And now I'm going to click OK. And now we've got a link to designer. And if I want it to stand out even more, let's see, I'll select this, and there's actually a highlight feature, so I can highlight it in red like that, so it stands out even better below the video. So pretty cool stuff here, and really, really, really simple concept too. So let me go ahead and try some other colors, see if one makes it stand out even better. Let's try... Blue is probably not going to stand out because it's blue on blue. I think the yellow looked the best. But anyway, there's our call to action button. It's very clear what the call to action is and where you'd find it. Let's see, I think this text color doesn't change because it's a hyperlink. So I'm going to go ahead and just leave the text color alone. If you want to space out the letters a bit, might help it stand out a bit. Let's see, what else can I do to really make this pop some more? We could test some different fonts, see if a different font makes it stand out a bit more. I always like using the Roboto font. I use that on a lot of things. Meriwether. Let's see. All right, I'm going to go ahead and use that one because that one does really sort of pop. And I am going to increase the letter spacing even more because of the way that font is. And there we go. Now we've got a little headline, a little additional affiliate pitch video, and then below that, our call to action link to go grab this. Now, just to be safe, you probably want to put a little extra text below it that says something to the effect of, the above is an affiliate promotion. We do get compensated if you decide to purchase through our link. However, this arrangement does not affect the price that you pay for the product, and we fully stand behind and use every product that we promote. That's kind of our sort of standard affiliate disclaimer, just so we're being very transparent and clear that what they're seeing is an affiliate promotion. And there you go. We've got a little bonus affiliate thing right below all of our checkout stuff. And if we want to kind of add some extra spacing, I can toss a divider there. Maybe put a divider down here just to kind of like bookend it in to our checkout page. Grab our divider here and let's make it a 4-pixel divider. I kind of like the look of that. And then let's add some spacing above it just to kind of, give it a gap between the thing above it. And then I'm going to make this a 4-pixel as well. And I don't have to do anything with spacing because that's already good. So now we've got our regular checkout page here. We'd probably have something up here that says, oops, I want to move this down here. So, thanks for your purchase. And this is what our success page looks like. You've got your thanks for your purchase. You've got a thank you video. You've got your receipt details. You've got your access to download whatever it is you just purchased. And now we just added a bonus affiliate promotion to the landing page as well. And there you go. You've got a perfectly designed success page designed to maximize the revenue from this funnel that you just created. And one thing that I haven't mentioned yet, but I really, really, really dig this about Thrivecart is up here. You can see what it looks like on a desktop, and you can look like what it looks like on a mobile, right? And it looks pretty good on a mobile phone too. But if we wanted to rearrange some things and only have it look like this on a mobile, we can do that. We can change some sizes, change the size of the video, change the size of the call to action, things like that. And it will only change it on the mobile. So you can actually have it sort of different versions of it for mobile versus desktop. And that's pretty cool as well. So I wanted to point that stuff out. Great way to maximize the revenue from the customers going through your Thrivecart funnel. Now, if you don't have Thrivecart yet, you got to go get it. Right now, it's a lifetime price. You don't have to pay any monthly fees, any annual fees. You just gotta go get it. It's a lifetime price, and we have a ton of really cool bonuses. I believe somewhere on this page or somewhere on a link from this page, there's a link to where you can find out what bonuses we're offering for it. We've got an amazing bonus package. Don't want to spend too much time going into all the details of all of the bonuses, but just know it's a killer bonus package, and you should be able to find details about it somewhere below this video, because we want to make sure that you get the maximum value out of Thrivecart. And if you buy it through our link, we want to make sure that you're able to hit the ground running with it and maximize the amount of income you make from it, which is why one of our bonuses is called Instant ROI Tactics, or ways to get your money back from Thrivecart. Really, really cool stuff, but we're going to make it worth your while if you grab Thrivecart through us. And once you have Thrivecart, you can do really cool stuff like what you just saw in this video. So thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.